What's a practical tip or trick that's deceptively simple yet remarkably effective, causing you to wonder why it's not more universally recognized? There is an actual technique to stop hiccups that is based on actual science. Breathe in as deeply as you can. Hold it for 5 seconds. Without breathing out, try to suck in just a bit more air. Hold it for 5 seconds. Without breathing out, try to suck in a last tiny bit of air. Hold it for 5 seconds. Breathe out. You are resetting your diaphragm. If you do it right, it works. If it doesn't work first time, try once more.